Hi, welcome back. COM 1160, week 4 video number 5. This is our last video of the week. I just wanted to draw your attention to a handout that I put up for you in the week 4 folder. And this handout has some research essay topics. Eventually, as part of your work for this class, you're going to be producing a research essay and several other related assignments to a research essay. I'm not asking you to write the essay right now or do any work towards the essay. What I want you to do, though, is to think about a topic. So I'd like for you to think about a disease or a condition that you find interesting and that you'd like to read more about. This particular disease or condition is going to be your area of focus. I have given some suggestions down at the bottom. So I have some suggestions for nursing and PSW students, and then I have some suggestions as well for students in dental assisting. So dental assisting is in the pink, and nursing and PSW topics are in the blue. You can, pick your own topic if you like. I will warn you, the more uncommon the condition, the harder it is to find research that's available on it. And I also ask if there is something that you would like to work on that's not listed, that you send me an email, okay, so that I can approve your topic and make sure that we have adequate research resources on that particular topic. When you're picking a topic, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The first is that I suggest you do not select a disease or condition that you or somebody close to you has. So it's important to keep some what we call academic distance from a topic. It can be difficult to write about things that you are currently going through or that somebody close to you is going through. It also is very difficult to be able to ascertain what you've learned from your research and what you've heard elsewhere. So, for example, I suffer from migraine headaches. I get migraine headaches, and I've had them for years. So, over the years, I've read a lot about migraine headaches. I've talked to doctors and nurses and my dentist about migraine headaches. And so I have like quite a vast amount of knowledge about migraines, but it's very difficult for me to remember what I heard from where and what I read where. That makes it difficult then when it comes to the APA. Okay, so I might remember a fact about migraines, and I might not remember easily where it was that I came across that fact. That's going to be a problem then when I need to do my APA. So it actually is easier to pick something that you know absolutely nothing about. I know that sounds weird, but it is easier because then you can easily identify where you've gotten particular information from so that you can do your APA. You also don't want to have to work backwards. Okay, so say that you know that migraine headaches can last anywhere from 2 to 24 hours. You'd have to dig back in the research to find an item that supports that. Can be very, very frustrating. So try to pick something that you know nothing about, but try to pick something that's going to sustain your interest. So not something you're going to be bored with in 5 minutes. We're going to be working on this over a number of weeks, and we're going to be doing a lot of reading on this topic. So you want to make sure it's something that, you're still going to find fascinating in a couple of weeks' time. Okay, so we're going to talk about gathering research and outlining and research essay writing, all of that good stuff over the next couple of weeks. Okay, but for now, it might be a good idea to identify your topic. So maybe try to pick 3 topics, okay, and rank them in order of your preference. So your number 1, your number 2, and your number 3, so that when we actually get to the stage where we're starting to gather material on this topic, if you find you're not finding good stuff on your number 1, you can then go down to your number 2 choice. Okay, so again, just to make it clear, I'm not assigning an essay or anything like that at this stage. All I'm asking you to do for next week is to have a couple of topics in mind of what you might like to focus on. Again, if you want to pick your own topic, if there is a disease or condition that you find interesting that is not listed, please send me an email and we'll talk one-on-one to make sure that we have the research material available for you to work on that particular topic. Okay, hope you're having a great week, and we'll talk to you during week number 5.